Isa ang Museo Sugbo sa mga nangangalaga ng mga pinakalumang artifacts na nakuha sa mga panahong bago pa man dumating ang mga Kastila.
These are the weapons that Lapu-Lapu would have used. There's the Campila.
Carried around
This is a
his
Campila.
waist. Oh.
And this is of that period. But this comes from Bantayan.
So mahaba ba yung Campila?
Mahaba,
O-
mahaba.
Okay. This is part of the...
This is, if I were Lapu-Lapu, I need to kill Magellan. This is what I would use.
Nakadisplay din sa museo ang isang artifact na kasama sa mga nahukay sa Camotes Island.
One of the stories posited in Cebu is that the Battle of Mactan happened in Mactan, Camotes.
Mactan,
So, Mactan.
okay. Oh.
So we went to the site and we got this. Ito lang, hindi ito. Kasama itong tatlo. At yung mga shell bracelets. The site was looted in the 70s. Inubos na mga looters. But they said mga malalaking jars. So it was a big settlement. So sadly, there's so many controversies. The proof is long gone.
Ito ba yung
No,
usual? This is not close to the portraits of
There was
the
never
people?
any description of Lapu-Lapu.
Okay.
So this is just imagination. So ganun yan.
Officially, sir, wala pa tayong nahukay o natagpuan na gamit belonging to Lapu-Lapu. Wala.
But there are reports of looting.
What are the chances na may matatagpuan pa tayo na material, gamit, na pwedeng pag-aari ito ni Lapu-Lapu? Kasi tingin niyo malabo na.
Malabo na.
Malabo na.
Malabo na.
Ayon kay Jobers, maging ang dapat sanay na italang mga pangalan ng mga kamag-anak ni Lapu-Lapu ay hindi rin nagawa.
One of the strangest things that happened when Legazpi arrived was he was not ordered to look for Lapu-Lapu or Lapu-Lapu's relatives. There was no vindictiveness on the... I mean, would have expected sa mga Espanyol, sa mga Europeans, look for that guy or his children. Massacre them because they killed our, explorer. It wasn't like that. There was no order.
Walang ganong...
Legazpi was not ordered to look for Lapu-Lapu or his ancestors. There's none. He doesn't make a report. In his report letter to King Philip II, he did not report about Mactan or looking for Magellan's remains. That was not his order.
Dahil hindi sapat ang mga ebidensya ukol sa mga naganap kay Lapu-Lapu, bumase na lamang ang ilan sa mga nagpasalin-salin na kwento ng kanyang kabayanihan. Kaya gumagawa ng paraan ng historians para alagaan ang mga natitirang katotohanan sa buhay ng ating bayani na si Lapu-Lapu, hanggang sa makakalap sila ng bagong ebidensya.
We do not really know much about the historical Lapu-Lapu, so kumbaga, go on with the legends. Because all these legends anyway build around the greatness of the man.
Well, I think the Spaniards suppressed the whole evidence because it's embarrassing to them.
Kinausap namin si Mar Vidal, ang sikat na pintor ng Cebu, upang magbigay ng kanyang sariling interpretasyon sa itsura ni Lapu-Lapu. Base na rin sa ibinigay na listahan ni Sir Emelio na itsura ng mga sinaunang Pilipino. Sa kamay ni Mar, unti-unting nabubuo ang posibleng imaheng ito. Ito na nga kaya si Lapu-Lapu.
The problem with all these Lapu-Lapu stories is no one has really sat down to analyze what evidence do we have, how do we picture out things. Lapu-Lapu, no standardization about it.
Definitely for Cebuanos, he is like our symbol of regional pride. If the Tagalogs have Rizal, we have Lapu-Lapu.
Ang mahalaga, naalala natin na siya na mayroong lumaban sa mga conquerors ng araw. At yun ay tamang gawain na dapat natin gayahin. Kapag merong nangaapi, kailangan labanan. Yun ang aral ni Lapu-Lapu.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Jay Taruk at ito ang Eyewitness.
Dahil sa kanya, naging malaya yung especially mga Bisaya.
Isang pride sa amin kaya yung
Mga taga rito, ano?
dahil nanalo siya sa digmaan niya. Edwin Magellan. Legend may siya diri sa Cebu.
He's a fighter! He's the one who killed Magellan.
Do you know
Lapu-Lapu? Oh, you know him? You don't know. I don't know.
He just protected the Philippines, from the Spanish.
From the Spanish, huh?
Matapang at saka, mabait, mabuti yung tao.